Knowing what to do and what to expect in advance is the key to timely mitigation and can help you minimize how water and fire damage can affect your home or business. Whether you're a homeowner or a multi-site property or risk manager, the SERVPRO Ready Plan app has been developed to help you be ready for whatever happens. Ready Plan will allow you to create individual emergency ready profiles for each of your properties, saving you time when minutes count. The power of the app is entering detailed information about each of your properties before an event occurs, giving you the chance to minimize business interruption by having an immediate plan of action. With the SERVPRO Ready Plan app, you can be ready for whatever happens.